Hey guys, we're going to take a quick look at the Google Home Hub. Now this is a new smart speaker slash smart display that Google's rolling out. There's a couple things that it doesn't have, like it doesn't have a front-facing camera because Google wants you to feel comfortable with it being in your house. There's some new stuff that this introduces over the existing smart displays, and one of those is the ability to swipe right down from the top of the display and actually see all the connected devices in your home. So locks and cameras and doorbells and AC units and basically everything you've got connected you can kind of see in one space, and so can everybody else in your family. They can go in and adjust those things, and you're not stuck with one person kind of controlling the house. Another really cool feature that they're introducing is an integration with Google Photos, so that in ambient mode, whenever it's just showing photos, you can actually tag just the faces of certain people you want to show, and then as you take more photos and they get uploaded to Google Photos, and Google Photos does all its magic and knows, hey, this same person has been taking more pictures of, those pictures start showing up. So ideally you would just tag the people in your family, and as time goes by you're out and you take photos at an event you go to, you come home and those are already on the ambient display. So there's a couple of new things that they've introduced, and this thing's just packing a really cool package into a very small package. And some of the videos may make it look a little bit bigger, but we're talking like a little 7-inch display, a really nice loudspeaker, but a small footprint and a really crisp, good-looking screen. So it's a really compelling package for the smart home display. We're excited to eventually get the thing in the office and really put it through its paces and spend some time with it. But for now, that's really all we've got. And all we can see right now, because all the demos are really guided here. And so it looks like it could be a really compelling device. And starting at $149, I think it's going to be an easy buy. But guys, that's all for this one. If you liked it, thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll see you.